Looking to the distance, not sure what I see. Looks like a moon, and it's staring back at me. Brushstrokes and lines, tales of the plains that I will discover. Sounds of summer is its name. One tree stands tall above them all. Two stand together like they're waiting for the fall. Another stands alone, way down below, looking up to the rest of them, wondering where do I go. The sounds of summer, I see them all. Starts in the springtime, finished in the fall. Looking to the northeast, purple skies are bare. Looking out west, the sun is setting over there. Icy-capped mountains fade into the fields, crops of yellow sharing all of their yields. The sounds of summer, I see them all. Starts in the springtime, finished in the fall. Waves playing music, laughing all day long. Cats in the corner, watching it all dance to a song. What looks like a cowboy hat that seems to tame. Brushstrokes of colors that are washing over the plains. The sounds of summer, I see them all. Starts in the springtime, finished in the fall. And I must ask you, did you just say little parts of summer, they must all sound this way? Or did the brushstrokes take you one stroke at a time, till the colors led to a landscape that bellowed out this rhyme? The sounds of summer, I see them all. Starts in the springtime, finished on my wall. Sounds of summer,